Hey everyone, this is a quick video going over the sniping bot called Bullx. It looks a little bit different from your everyday bots. You don't necessarily have to download anything, or you don't have to give it your seed phrase, or you don't have to use your computer's terminal and make it all look all weird and hackery. It's technically a bot that's all online, so it's realistically a website that you use. And even though it's just a website, it is fast. It's quick. Um, you don't have to download nodes and go through all that with it. This is just like literally a website you can use. And it buys and sells pretty quickly. Um, Actually, one more thing before we continue this as well. Technically speaking, this isn't open to the public yet, but you can use it with any referral code. Um, and you also save 10% on the fees when you go through that way. So when you just go to the website without any sort of fees, any sort of code, you can go to bullocks.io and it will just tell you there's like, I don't know, some crazy number amount of people in front of you and you can't use it just yet. But once you click on the link, which I'll have in the description as well, you can actually go and sign up that way. So you get access right away, and you also save 10% on the future fees as well when you start trading. So how it works is you basically get your own kind of wallet on here, and you kind of fund that. So you don't have to connect your actual wallet to it, which is already safer than most bots. So you don't have to connect your main wallet to. You can just send the funds to it, and you can do that by going to Wallet Manager, creating your wallet, and then kind of going through the procedure there. Sorry if you guys hear that munching. It's just my dog deciding to eat at 12 a.m. for some reason. I'll quickly go over, the benefits of using this website and this bot. So first of all, I use this for Solana chain specifically. You can use it with other ones as well, but it's just not the best. You can even use it with ETH, but Solana is the best one that just works fine. It's very quick, not a lot of fees, and you actually have a decent amount of options as like how much you want to put for gas or bribe or your slippage set and whatnot, which I'll go over really quick. I'm not gonna make this video super long. It'll just be the basics. But if you do need more data and you need more information, just let me know and I can create a longer version going into like every single thing you can do with Bullocks. So real quick, if you go to Pump Vision, I'm assuming if you're here, you're already familiar with Pump Fund and Moonshot. So those are just websites that you can launch coins on, and most of things, with meme coins, the low market cap ones, for Solana at least, they go off of Pump Fund, and then just a few months ago, Moonshot became a thing as well as by Dex. Usually speaking though, when I'm going through the coins, I have it set where it only shows me Pump Fund tokens. I don't like the ones getting launched in Moonshot, at least for now, but that might change later. That's just a preference of mine. But on the left side over here, you can see these getting updated literally every second or so. So these are all the new coins getting created live. So you don't have to have another tab open, and you need another screen or splitting your screen to watch Pump Fund and then come here and trade. It just shows you everything here, and it gets updated automatically as well, as you can see. In the middle row, we have things that are about to graduate. So now, because of the price of Solana, things graduate about 100k market cap. So it shows you the market cap here, shows you the volume here, and some other information. These continuously get updated, but right now it's total holders, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can change these. I haven't really messed around with it because I, it just gives you what you need to know. There's nothing specific about it. And then on the right side over here, you have things that graduated already. So these are the things that basically made it out from Pump Fund or Moonshot. You know, sometimes they're safer to trade, sometimes they're not. Another thing I love about this website is it literally shows you the amount of um, tokens that are held by the holder, or by the creator of the coin. So over here, if you hover over this little green thing, green human looking like thing, it says that top 10 holding is less than 15%, which could be a good sign. Majority of the time, it means the top 10 are not just, you know, holding the entire bag like this one, which is 76%. So this could get dumped very quickly, and it probably means that it's either bundled or it's like an insider thing, and it's just gonna get dumped on you most likely. Hence, it's the red. Hence, it's red. This doesn't always mean it's bad though, but like 99.9% of the time, it's just terrible. Don't go near them. On the middle part, you can see how much the dev holds. So dev literally holds 75% of this. So I don't know why anyone would buy this unless there's some sort of thing behind it. But this is just terrible. So this just should be your biggest red flag right here, telling you that the dev holds 75%, so they could sell it all in one and just dump the chart. This one, for example, has 0. This could be like a CTO, or realistically, this could be a better play than this one because this can't get dumped on you that fast, right? Because only 12% is owned by the top 15 people, or percentage, sorry. Whereas this one, it's controlled by the dev mostly, and then that extra 1% is just probably one of its alt wallets or whatnot. Also shows you the percentage held by insiders. This one, you know how I said it might be a better play than this one. This is also a probably bad play because of the amount of percentage held by insiders. There are so many ways that people can launch a coin and automatically take all their, like, let's say the developer can buy like 50% of it and then automatically have it spread out into like hundreds or 200 different wallets, whereas like a human could not sit there and kind of figure out that all these wallets are related and technically one person owns them all. This website kind of does that all for you, so it literally looks through them super quick, super fast, and realizes that, hey, all those like 200 wallets that hold 73%, they're kind of all coming from the same place. So that will be probably another massive red flag. So those are things that you can just see without even clicking in things. But let's say, for example, you find one, I don't know, let's choose a random one. Let's go with this one. Wow, what a terrible chart. So once you get in here, this is where the bot is actually, I guess, able to work. So this is where you put in the amount you want to buy. And you can also set up your presets. This is a brand new account. Don't use this, so the presets are just what it is when you start. I usually have it as 1, 2, 5, 10. So as soon as you click on, let's say the 10, in this case it's 1, it puts one soul over here for you. Wow, look at the chart dumping. You basically, like, if you want to see how fast it works, you go at 1 and you click on buy. It takes maybe like 2 seconds, 3 seconds for it to kind of load, and then pop-up shows up here and it kind of does a buy for you. It's that quick. Same thing with sell. Let's say you have, like, I don't know, 2 soul of this. You go to sell. You want to sell full 100% of it, 75 or whatnot. As soon as you click on that, this gets updated and you can press on sell, and it works just as fast. Now, there are some settings you can change to make it, be faster or somewhat safer, I would say. And you can do that by clicking on over here. Priority and bribe. These two are basically how fast, basically the higher these are, the faster your transaction will go through, and it will take priority over other transactions at the same time. Your slippage, when you're working with low market caps, I'm not gonna sit here and like teach you how to trade, but realistically you want it somewhat higher. Yes, you will lose more of your total buy and total sell, but if you put it low, your transaction is just gonna fail. That's just how trading works with low market caps. It moves up quite a bit. It's very volatile. I have mine anywhere between 30 to 60 depending on what I'm trading. And this one right here, it basically protects you from getting mev'd. If you have it enabled, technically your buy will go in a bit slower. So if you're trying to get in as fast as possible, you just kind of have to risk it and have it as disabled and go through with it. And these were all the settings for buy. You could also change them for sell separately. So you could have it for higher slippage, less priority, whatnot, or opposite, or the same. That's completely up to you. But that's pretty much how it works. For example, over here, I'll show you guys as well. So you can search stuff by name, or you can just kind of paste the address. I had that kind of in my copied folder. This is how the chart kind of looks after it's been out for a while. You can change the thing to be, the candles to be by minutes, specific seconds, or even hours if you want to. Down here you have orders. These are all live, so they will update automatically. If you go to holders, it will tell you basically the top holders with this logo. Any insider wallets with this logo. This is not necessarily a bad thing. People see insiders and they get scared, but not necessarily a bad thing. You just kind of have to judge it based on the coin and the volume it's getting. You can go through top holders. You can click on these little things right here to get into their specific wallet on SoulScan. And also you can check kind of their P&L. So the top trader on this specific coin, the Chill Guy coin, their P&L is 2.8 mil almost, right? And they still hold about 3.7k. You can see that they bought 1.69 mil. This one, holy, 16 mil. So you can kind of dig down deep and see what's going on as well. And again, you can literally find their wallets by clicking on here. Oh, sorry, this top trader is actually a bot. My bad, I did not see that. But it's pretty cool. It gives you like a lot of random info that you would have to go and like dig to find. It just gives you all the info on the spot, which is very helpful. What else can I show you guys? That's pretty much it. I don't want to make this video super long, especially because I'm probably not going to edit it at all. It's just a quick info. I will have my link, or I guess the link to get access to this down in the description as well. I highly recommend doing some research before you jump into it if you're not used to trading meme coins, because realistically, if you don't know what you're doing, you're just going to give your money away to people that know what they're doing. And yeah, if you have any recommendations, or if you think you need more information on this or pump fund, or really anything else regarding these, just let me know in the comments below and I will make a video. Thank you.